Have you ever dreamt of making money online? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we are unlocking the secrets to passive income in 2020 by diving deep into the three hottest affiliate marketing niches that are set to explode next year. Whether you want to escape the 9 to 5 green or just create a new income stream, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own profitable affiliate marketing journey by the end of this video. We are talking about the real strategies, real niches, and real ways to put cash in your pocket. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started. Hey, it's Ikane here, and I share information on how to make money online and the tools I use. Now, before we jump into these changing niches, let's quickly break down what affiliate marketing is for any newbies out there. Think of it like being a super connector. You find amazing products you love and believe in, then you promote them to people who could really use them. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The best part, no inventory, no shipping, no dealing with customer service. Just pure marketing power. And in 2025, with the right niche, it's going to be more powerful than ever. So let's unveil our first trending niche. Our first unstoppable niche for 2025 is sustainable living and eco friendly products. Why is this a big deal? Because people are more conscious than ever about their environmental impact. They are actively looking for products that are ethical, sustainable, and help them reduce their carbon footprint. We are talking about everything from reusable products and organic food to cruelty free cosmetics and energy efficient gadgets. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how people shop. Now, how to make money in this niche? Number one is content is king. Well, you can simply start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok account dedicated to sustainable living tips. You could review eco-friendly products, share DIY hacks, or highlight brands with strong environmental commitments. And you can also build your hub. To truly succeed, you need a home base for your content. A simple website or blog is perfect. You can easily create a professional looking site using a platform like Hostinger AI Website Builder. It's incredibly user friendly. You just describe your vision and its AI generates a personalized site in just seconds. It's perfect for showcasing your content and affiliate links beautifully. And once you're done with your own hub or website, you focus on product. Don't try to cover everything at once. Specialize in sub niches like sustainable fashion, eco friendly home cleaning products, or guides to zero waste living. Then you look for affiliate programs with brands like Thrive Market, Grow Collaborative, or smaller ethical direct to consumer brands that align with your valuables. values, sorry. Many conscious brands have great affiliate program because they want to spread message. So you can become an affiliate and help promote those products. Be authentic. Now, people in this niche are passionate. Engage with your audience, answer their questions, and build a community around conscious consumption. This builds trust and makes your recommendation more impactful. Moving on to our second powerhouse niche for 2025, AI powered productivity tools and automation. Now, artificial intelligence isn't a futuristic concept anymore. It's here and it's transforming how we work and live. From AI writing assistants to smart home automation, the demand for tools that make our lives easier is skyrocketing. Businesses and individuals are all looking for that edge, and AI delivers it. So, how can you make money in this niche? Educate and demonstrate. A lot of people are curious about AI but don't know where to start. Your role is to be the expert. At least you know something more than those people. Create tutorials, comparison videos, and in depth reviews of different AI tools. This is where a tool like vid.io comes in. With its AI powered features, you can quickly generate subtitles, remove background noise, and even create talking head videos with AI avatars, making it super easy to produce high quality, professional looking content without being a video editing pro. Again, having a dedicated website or blog built with a straightforward tool like Hostinger AI Website Builder is ideal. You can easily embed your vid.io videos or your videos, write in detailed reviews, and create dedicated landing pages for each AI tool you recommend. Well, for vid and hosting a website, if you wish to check or try it out, I'm going to leave the links in the description below. Yes, I'm going to get a share of commission within this. Well, you can easily and next solve specific problems. Instead of just promoting AI tools, focus on specific pain points. For example, AI tools for content creators, AI for small business automation, or AI apps to boost personal productivity. And then you look for the affiliate programs for those AI tools that you are using. Example, Vid has a affiliate program and likewise hosting. You can simply share the links and then earn a little commission. This list is full of high paying software as a service affiliate programs. Look at tools like Vid or Hostinger. Many offer recurring commissions, which means passive income month after month. Share real world examples of how you or others have used these AI tools to get real results. This builds major credibility and shows the practical benefits. And stay updated. The AI landscape is changing fast. Stay on top of new developments and be the go to source for the latest in AI productivity. And now, finally, let's look at the third incredibly promising niche for 2025, mental wellness and biohacking. In our fast paced, often stressful world, people are prioritizing their mental health and seeking ways to optimize their cognitive function and overall well being. This niche combines traditional mental health support with cutting edge biohacking techniques. We are talking about meditation apps, brain supplements, smart sleep devices, stress reduction tools, and even specialized fitness trackers. The focus here is on feeling better, thinking clearer, and living a more balanced life. Well, how to make money in this niche? Holistic approach, you can cover both traditional wellness practices like mindfulness and journaling and biohacking elements, supplements, and tech. Okay, review mental wellness apps, different types of nootropics, always with a disclaimer to consult a doctor or stress relief gadgets. Okay, again, create your own hub, create a beautiful, calming website using a tool like hosting an AI website builder to share your insights and recommendations. A dedicated space gives you credibility and a central point to direct your audience. For your video content, use Video.io to easily create coming tutorials or product reviews with features like its screen recorder and simple editing tools. And you can create educational content around that topic, create content around topics the how to reduce stress, improving focus naturally, and best sleep hacks. And affiliate programs, you can look for affiliate programs within those with companies like Calm, Headspace, Quora, Ring, or even online courses for customer stress management. And then you can also share your personal journey. This niche thrives on authenticity. If you found success with certain tools, share your journey. This builds trust and makes your recommendations resonate more deeply. And focus on the benefits of these products, reduce anxiety, better sleep, improved focus. People are looking for solutions to their problems, so you can help them with those solutions. So there you have it, Flux, that's three hottest affiliate marketing niches for 2020. Sustainable living, air-powered productivity, and mental wellness and biohack. Each of these offers immense potential for growth, high demand products, and passionate audiences eager for solutions. Remember, starting your affiliate marketing journey is easier than ever with user friendly tools like hosting an AI website builder to get your online presence up and running quickly, and video attire to create professional level video content without the steep learning curve. Now it's time to take action. Choose the niche that resonates more with you, start creating valuable content, and always focus on providing genuine value to your audience. That's the real secret to long term affiliate marketing success. If you found value, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to that channel for more affiliate marketing tips and digital products and the tools I use. And let me know in the comments which niche you're most excited about. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.